Hello there.
Hello.
Thank you for agreeing to take some time and help us out. Today we're asking you to test out the website. Your thoughts, actions, and suggestions will help us to understand how someone else might view and interact with the site. Right off the bat, I would like to make it completely clear that we are not asking you to feed us sunshine, rainbows, and puppies. We want to know what you honestly think and how you feel about each feature you interact with. Your thoughts and actions will be a major factor in improving the current site. I would encourage you to think out loud and to ask questions as they come to you. Chances are that if you're not sure about something, someone else will have the same issue. I might not answer your questions right off, as I don't want to jade your view of the site, but I will answer all that I can at the end of the session. You probably noticed the camera pointing at you. With your permission, this will be used to document your interactions and thoughts during your run through the site. It will not be used for any purposes other than to review the usability, that is, how the site is in use, and to make improvements based on your reactions. Is that okay with you?
That is fine.
Alright, do you have any questions before we begin?
No, I do not.
Okay. Before we look at the site, I'd like to ask you a few quick questions. What is your occupation?
Night manager.
Alright, about how many hours a week do you spend on the internet, including email?
0.
Alright. Do you have any favorite websites?
IMDb.com and TheOnion.com. And I'm sure there's another.
Pirates.com.
Google's pretty good.
Google.
Why not?
Alright. Alright, that takes care of the basics, so let's get to the actual site.
Okay.
You've opened the browser up to Real Beer real easy.
Yes, I have.
Alright, what is the first thing that catches your eye?
The giant Real Easy Real Beer logo and the 2 clicking beer glasses on the bottom.
Alright, what is your first impression of the site?
I don't like the font that it's in. I don't like the font actually for the links or the other. It's too, I don't know, typewritery.
Alright.
And the see-through on these is kind of annoying. Just the blue against the bright yellow.
Alright. What do you want to click on first?
The beer glasses.
Okay. So, on the home page, or, yeah, just anything. What parts of the page do you like?
That I like?
Yes.
It's very straightforward and easily set up, but again, I don't like the lettering. But the presentation,
Alright.
you know what I mean? The organization of it to get to where I want to go is pretty straightforward.
Alright. And what do you find obscure or not helpful?
Of just the first page, or
Just on the whole.
just on the home page?
On the whole.
On the whole? Oh, well, I've got to go through some of them.
Alright.
So I'm still just looking. The equipment section was very well done, as in it was very thorough. The ingredients section is very vague. Actually, the other 3 are not nearly as in depth as the equipment one was. I'd say that would be something that would probably need to be improved on.
Alright. So let's see if you can find some stuff out. Can you figure out how to contact Real Beer about the site?
Yes, right here at the bottom.
Alright.
Yeah.
And you already found the Easter egg of the clinking beer glasses.
Yeah.
So
moves I click on first.
okay. What do you think is any final impressions, stuff you found helpful, didn't find helpful, think you could use more of, etc.?
Like I said, the equipment section, from what it looks like, I haven't gone through all of them, is very, it's in depth enough that you can figure out, but the other 3 sections, if I came to this website I would not be able to brew beer by reading this because I've never done it before.
All right.
So I would have no idea. It doesn't even. Use your rack and can once more to deliver beer to the bottles. It doesn't even really tell me how to get the beer into the bottle. I suppose you just pour it in there. I don't know. If all the sections were as good as the equipment section was, it'd probably be pretty decent.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Okay.